around here. We're gonna go by our old house in a minute. Oh, those people were in the process of putting a new roof on. Ooh, look at our old neighbor got their porch smashed in. There's our old house. Videotape it.
Old house.
Oh, our old neighbor got a tree in the back.
Oh, yep.
Oh, the fence. Look, the fence was spared.
The fence lived.
Look at that. Get this one here with the porch. That is ugly.
Man, look at the sidewalk.
Wow. Pop the sidewalk up. Look at this. Get Stillwell's front yard. Look at that.
Holy cow.
Well, that street's not going to look the same. It gets cleaned up. Look at that playground equipment. That usually is not supposed to be there. Yeah, there's no going down that street.
Look at that. Blocked off.
Jason Johnson.
Top half of a telephone pole. It had to just come ripping right down the street right here.
Had to.
There's power lines everywhere.
That tree got derooted too over there. Took the sidewalk with it. Down there, the bottom of this tree? Yeah, it's out of the ground too.
Holy crap. I didn't think that would be this bad. Look at the tops. All those trees are coming down.
This one behind it, you can see it just broke, took the whole top off.
Your street's going to look a lot different.
Yeah, it's
Porch is gonna go.
Cameraman.
we're going with the boys. We're going to help Jack Miller's dad's something kind of tree go through it. We're gonna go clear it out.
There they go.
Yep.
Harley's house? Yeah.
There's Harley's house right there.
We're gonna go head over there.
Alright. These guys are gonna be without power for a while. Watch the lines here. Look at this here. Guys, look at this.
Don't touch that. Hey.
Yeah, don't watch the line.
I don't know if it's
I doubt it, but still.
I'll be right by now. I was walking up to the office.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know what you're talking. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the
Oh.
giant like we go on top of it. Luckily, you can still like because you seal off, you can still work until we have a contractor, so he can't cut a tree down.